this is an important question. How is sex determined in human beings? So, we know that in humans there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of this 23, 22 of them are similar in everybody, as well as in male as well as in female. Okay, so these 22 chromosomes are known as autosome. The last pair is known as the sex chromosome. Now in females it is always XX, and in male it is X and Y. So half of the sperms produced will carry the chromosome X and half of them will carry the chromosome Y. So it depends on the sperm having X or Y chromosome which it fertilizes the egg. So egg has X, sperm can be X or Y. So XX will form a female and XY will form a male. Now we are just supposed to write this in words. Okay, so this is the gist of the question. Let's start writing now. Oh, okay. Let's start writing. The sex determining mechanism in the case of humans is XY type. Okay. Out of the 23 pairs of chromosomes, 22 of them are exactly the same. Okay. 22 of them are exactly the same, both in male and in female. Now, these are known as autosomes. So, autosomes point is checked. Now, a pair of X chromosome is present in female. Check. Whereas the presence of XY chromosome are determined of male characteristics. Okay, so this is checked again. So male carries what? X as well as a Y chromosome. Now, during spermatogenesis amongst male, two types of gametes are produced. 50% of them are carrying X chromosome. The rest 50% is carrying Y chromosome. So besides the autosomes, female however produce only one type of the ovum. That is, it has X chromosome only. Now, there is an equal probability of fertilization of an ovum with sperm carrying either X or Y chromosome. So the chances of having a baby boy or a baby girl is 50-50% in each pregnancy. Now, in the case if ovum fertilizes with a sperm carrying X chromosome, the zygote developed will be what? It would be female. Whereas fertilization of an ovum with Y chromosome carrying the sperm will result in what? It will result in male offspring. Now, thus it is evident that the genetic makeup of a sperm is what determines the sex of a child. So, in each pregnancy, there is always a 50% probability of either male or female child being developed. Okay, students, is this clear? Now, it is very unfortunate that our society does not understand this and they blame the females to give birth to a female child, whereas it is the male who was supposed to be, is responsible for it. So just write a single line that it is unfortunate that in our society, women are blamed for giving birth to female children and have been ostracized or ill-treated because of this false notion. So we just need to remove this taboo, and that is the reason why this line is there. Now, we'll make a cross. So the cross here is, okay, now parents. One is female, and one is male. So female will have what? Autosomes, a pair of autosome plus pair of XX chromosome. Male will have what? Autosomes plus a pair of X, Y chromosomes. So parents done. Now gametes formed. There will be A plus X and A plus X. Again, A plus X and A plus Y. Okay. So far so good. So we are done. Now, this is crossed with this. We've got AA plus XX. This is a female. So one is female. Now, this is crossed with this. We've got AA plus XY. Again, this is male. Now, this is crossed with this. A plus X. Okay, so this will be female and AA plus XY, and this will be male. So 2 by 2, 2 female, 2 male. So there is what? A 50% chance of the child to be male, or 50% chance of the child to be what? A female. Okay students, so this is how sex determination occurs in male and female. Okay, so this is what happens. So there is what? 50% chance. There are 23 pairs, out of which 22 of them are autosomes. The last pair is either XX or XY. So XX is present on the female and XY is male. So sperm will carry either an X chromosome or a Y chromosome. Okay, so it is the male decides whether the child would be, so male chromosome decides whether the child would be a girl child or a boy child. So this is how sex determination occurs.